Now that you have set up your MetaMask account, you are free to use it how you wish. The MetaMask account uses Ethereum, which you can add to your account by buying through Wire or Transact, or you can directly deposit Ethereum from another Ethereum wallet. Today I will be showing you how to connect your wallet to OpenSea, which is the largest NFT market at the moment. In order to do that, you head to OpenSea.io. Once you are here, you click the upper right where it says Wallet. Click on MetaMask, and it will prompt you to use this account. You click Next and Connect. It'll then import your wallet into OpenSea, and you will see my $0.00, but I am able to explore all NFTs and buy one if I have the money to do it.